Welcome to this video where I'll walk you through how to use the LSSC app step by step. Let's start from the moment we open the app. On the home page, there's not much to do. It's a simple landing screen without interactive features. So we move straight to the action by tapping on the Juan option in the bottom menu. This section is where things start to get interesting. Here you'll find several scooters available, each marked with the word Yaren, which means they're ready to be used. For example, there's a scooter listed at $960. When I tap on it, I'm given two options. I choose the first one to proceed with using the scooter. After selecting the scooter, a payment screen appears, showing a wallet address and a QR code. The QR code is valid for 2 hours, which gives enough time to complete the transaction. I copy the wallet address and head over to my crypto wallet app to make the payment. Once that's done, I return to LSSC and continue exploring. Back in the scooter section, I scroll through and check the other scooters available, comparing prices and availability. Next, I move to the Shagshin section, also found in the bottom menu. At the bottom of this page, there are two important options: Clause and Normal. These seem to relate to how quickly the scooter is activated. If you're in a hurry, you might choose the Clause option, which likely comes at a higher cost. This gives users more flexibility based on their needs and urgency. Now let's talk about the referral feature. I tap on the Sharing tab, where users can invite their friends to the app. After clicking the Invite button, my unique referral code appears. This code can be shared with others, and when someone signs up using it, your level and rewards in the app increase. It's a great way to grow your account and earn additional benefits without extra cost. Now I head into the Profile section. From here, I tap on the Recharge option. This is where users can deposit funds. Multiple payment methods are available, such as USDT, TRC20, and USDC. You copy the wallet address, go to your crypto wallet, make the payment, and come back to tap the Conservation button to confirm the transaction. Inside the Profile section, in the Withdraw section, you'll see options like USDT Biologian and USDT TRC20. Below each, there's a field to enter your wallet address. Paste your personal address there, and once you're sure it's correct, tap the Conservation button to proceed with the transfer. Always double-check the wallet address to avoid any mistakes. You'll also find several useful tools like Balance Poster to view your balance, My Coupon for your discounts and offers, Wired Address for managing saved wallets, Seat Log for tracking your activity, and Password to update your login credentials. These features make it easy to manage everything from one place. And that's it. That's a full walkthrough of how to use the LSSC app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.